Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best glad hands is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked components in ensuring the safe operation of your semi-truck. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of glad hands, exploring their critical role in the air brake system, examining various types and brands available on the market, and ultimately helping you choose the best glad hands for your specific needs and budget, ensuring your rig is always road-ready and safe. Number 5. KOOTANS Glad Hand Set. These glad hands are made of high-quality materials, ensuring they're stronger and more durable than ordinary sets. The handles are made of industrial-grade aluminum, and the body is made of 6061 die-cast aluminum with high-hardness steel plates. They feature a precise CNC-processed NPT thread for a tight, leak-free connection. High-quality rubber gaskets are corrosion, oil, and chemical resistant, ensuring a perfect fit even at 140 psi. The diamond knurled design on the extension handles provides superior grip, even in wet or icy conditions. This prevents slippage and makes them safer and easier to use. The extension handles also help prevent air hose crimping. This set includes one pair of glad hands, one pair of grip handles, and two replacement seals. The glad hands have a 1-2 NPT port, and the dimensions are clearly specified for a perfect fit. They meet SAE J318 requirements and are compatible with most trailers, semi-trailers, and trucks. These are replacements for many common parts, making them a versatile option. What we like. This set boasts a robust build, ensuring longevity. Its superior seals prevent air leaks, even under pressure. If you prioritize safety and durability in harsh conditions, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Saved way more than the truck stops. Makes putting on the glad hands 100x easier. I've only got one air brake trailer, but would definitely buy this product again. Great retrofit for my 1970 M35A2 military Kaiser Deuce and a half pneumatic braking system. Easy fix to repaint the blue to yellow. Number 4. Glad hand handles for semi-trucks. It's made from high-hardness steel plate, grade 12.9 anti-rusting plated bolts, and a durable aluminum body. This ensures it meets SAE J318 standards for automotive air brake lines and provides long-lasting performance. The extension handle features knurling for a secure grip and easy installation. Precise CNC machining of the NPT port thread ensures a tight seal and prevents air leaks. High-quality polyurethane seals with a tapered base create an airtight fit. These wear-resistant seals prevent leaks even under high pressure. It's compatible with most trucks, trailers, and various brands. It replaces many common part numbers, making it a versatile choice. The glad hand measures 4.1 inches by 2.2 inches, with a 1-2 NPT connection port. The extension handle has 1-2 male and female threads and is 4.8 inches long. What we like. Made with premium materials, it's built to last. The knurled extension handles make installation a breeze. If you value ease of use and a reliable seal, this is the glad hand set for you. What people say. Very easy installation and very well built. Proven to last and easy to install. Installation was super easy and just took about 20 minutes for me. All the fittings matched right up with the airlines. Number 3. Universal glad hands for semi-trailers. These glad hands are built to last, using high-quality aluminum with a protective paint coating to prevent rust. They're designed for reliable performance in demanding conditions. The high-quality rubber seals ensure efficient air prevention, minimizing leaks and maximizing braking performance. It's a key feature for safety and efficiency. It's built to withstand the elements and years of use. The strong anti-aging properties mean you can rely on them for long-term performance. With dimensions of 105 by 56 mm, 4.1 by 2.2 inches and a 1-2-inch FPT port connection, it's designed for a perfect fit. Please double-check the image for details. They meet SAE J318 requirements, offering both service and emergency configurations, polarized, or universal, non-polarized, options for flexibility. They are designed with safety in mind. You get one red glad hand, one blue glad hand, and 2 extra replacement seals, everything you need for a complete and reliable setup. What we like. These Glad hands are built to withstand the elements. They're available in both polarized and universal configurations. If you need a long-lasting, versatile option, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy installation. Took less than 5 minutes. Fit up works well between the truck and the trailer. Well made, works as advertised. Number 2. KOOTANS Gladhands Kit. This kit provides a reliable and safe connection for your air brake systems. It's designed for ease of use in emergency and service situations. The integrated valve gives you precise control over the airflow. Open and close it effortlessly to manage your air brake system. The color-coded design makes identifying service and emergency lines quick and easy. Red and blue clearly distinguish their functions. It offers multiple port sizes to fit various applications. You can easily adapt it to your specific needs. Built with die-cast aluminum and stainless steel, it's designed for long-lasting performance and reliability. It meets SAE J318 standards for quality and safety. The kit comes with everything you need for a complete installation. This includes a pair of Glad hands, brass fittings, and all necessary components. The red Glad hand has a side port that accepts an air blow gun. This makes maintenance and cleaning more convenient. What we like. This kit offers valve control for precise operation and includes an air blow gun connection. Its die-cast aluminum construction ensures lasting performance. If you need precise control and added functionality, this is the set for you. What people say. Added air lines for equipment trailer, and these were exactly what I needed. Arrived on time in good packaging. Seems sturdy and durable. I haven't gotten to use them on a truck yet. I need special fittings, but the valves are easy to turn, which is the main reason I'm buying since my old ones are nearly frozen in place. These appear to be made from good materials and seem to be very well made. Number 1. CheeMuii Glad Hand Set. This is the CheeMuii Glad Hand Set, a must-have for maintaining your vehicle's air brake system. It's designed for durability and ease of use. It's made from high-quality aluminum with a painted surface and high-quality rubber. This makes it acid and erosion-proof, well-insulated, anti-aging, and has high tensile strength for a long lifespan. With a 1/2-inch FPT port and dimensions of 105 by 56 mm, it's designed for a precise fit. Always double-check the image to ensure compatibility. The set includes 2 red Glad hands, 2 blue Glad hands, and 10 seals. Having extra seals on hand prevents leaks and keeps your system running smoothly. They meet SAE J318 requirements and are compatible with service and emergency configurations, as well as universal configurations. It works with Tectron 1011EF 1011SF. The included seals are a cost-effective way to prevent leaks caused by aging rubber. This ensures your system remains in top condition. What we like. This set comes with extra seals to extend its lifespan, saving you money in the long run. The durable aluminum construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you value long-term cost savings and reliability, this is the ideal option. What people say. These replacements work great on our wreckers. They look a little different than the stock ones and are lighter in weight than the ones the truck originally had on, but seem to be decent quality. Works as it should. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.